In this video, you'll learn how to set configuration variables using the config variable browser. A configuration variable is a specific setting for a tool or set of functionality. Changes to configuration variables can affect all users, all courses, and your entire Brightspace system, depending on the variable's scope. Administrators must have the Can Edit Config Variable Values permission to edit configuration variables. From the Admin Tools menu, click Config Variable Browser. Navigate to the variable you want to set by browsing and expanding configuration categories, such as tools. Alternatively, search for configuration variables by name or keyword within all variables, a category folder, or a tool or feature folder. Then, press Enter. Click the variable you want to edit. Review the variable properties to determine the value to apply. To add an override value, click Add Value. Enter the org unit ID or click Select org unit to search for or browse to an org unit and then click Update. Define the override value and click Save. In this example, we're turning off the Annotations tool checkbox by default when new assignments are created in this specific org unit, while keeping it enabled for all other course offering org units in the organization. Now you know how to set configuration variables in Brightspace. Thanks for watching.